What's up, YouTube? This is Tom with Fresh Vintage. We're actually here in Apex. This is a different part of SEMA Show 2023. This is where a lot of the parts, a lot of the scan tools, a lot of the business on a global scale actually happens right here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're looking at an actual ADAS system to align radars on vehicles. And this is a system I'm actually not 100% familiar about. Good thing we have Brandon here with Launch Tech USA. Brandon, thanks so much for taking the time to be here, man. Absolutely. This is a 3-in-1 radar alignment system, and honestly, that's about all I know about it. So let's just start with ADAS, or ADAS. What does ADAS stand for?
Stands for Advanced Driver's Assistance System.
So pay attention. There will be a test at the end of this video. So awesome. Okay, so we have an Audi in front of us here. And to take this to a really practical level, you may be asking, why does any of this matter? But if you get a bump, if you get a ding, if you get into a low-speed car accident, and you're going to have to actually repair the front end of this car, this is becoming more and more of a thing, very much so to where a collision shop, there's a very good chance you would have to work with this as you put this car back together. So talking through this here, talk us through some of the basics of this, Brandon, and why someone like a shop owner or like a collision person may be considering purchasing this.
So the big thing, especially when it comes to radar recalibrations, is they're more and more prevalent. Every single car that we see coming off the line has advanced cruise control, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking. That is all run through radar systems that are in your front bumper. Now, all service information is a little bit different, but the best rule of thumb, if it is removed or the bracket is disconnected, we have to ensure it's looking where it's going. Sorry, that was kind of silly. We have to ensure that it is looking where it's supposed to go. To do so, we need to recalibrate the front radar.
Okay.
To do that, we use our 3-in-1 stand. You'll see I have this green line going. That's through the center of the vehicle. I'll measure out my points. We're just going to say that this is going to be right at 800 millimeters. It's going to be right there. Normally in my shop, I would put a piece of tape down, mark my distance.
Okay.
Pick up my stand, get it right along my line. And you can see from where our laser is going through, it's perfectly level, perfectly straight. I can check my levels here, adjust the feet.
So there's actually levels right here, folks, to make sure that that is precisely level, to help account for any floors that might be out of whack.
Correct. So. Because when it comes to a radar recalibration, it's very simple. Radio waves come from the unit, hit our metal plate, and need to be shot right back, and it takes its measurements. So small things really count, similar to metric instead of standard inches.
Yeah, absolutely. And looking at a kit like this, we see the case over here in the corner. Mm-hmm. How does one go about buying something like this? Do you guys have this on Launch Tech USA's website?
It'll be through the website, but you would have to contact a distributor.
An actual distributor.
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
Okay. That makes sense.
There's no direct sales.
No direct sales. Okay. And what, if just off the top of your head, who is the number one customer that may be looking, like if they're watching this video now and they're trying to decide should they get into this, you're thinking like collision owners, or maybe a guy who wants to buy one of these on the side and do it on the weekends for multiple collision, like shop owners in the greater area that they live in. Are those kind of like your target customers, so to speak?
Yes. So the best guys are ones who are comfortable using a scan tool, comfortable learning a new skill, because this is a new trade.
Yeah.
It's not just an extra tool, it's a whole new ball of wax.
Absolutely.
So you're going to have a lot of days where you're going to be frustrated and you just don't get it. But it all comes with time. It all comes with just remembering and muscle memory.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is great cutting edge technology we're seeing here. The car industry and the car world is only advancing. They're getting more inherently complicated. So great to see companies like Launch Tech USA building tools to help shop owners and collision owners keep the cars on the road. Thank you very, very much, Brandon, for taking the time here.
Thanks for coming by.
Absolutely. If you like classic cars, if you like muscle cars, if you like checking out tech, if you like DIY repairs and scan tools, if you like Chargers and Chevelles and all the rest, Fresh Vintage to your channel. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.